Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication in the Media. My name's Adam Roseski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you at the end of week 5. That's correct. So my apologies, my voice has been kind of dying lately. Just had a bunch of crazy stuff happen over the week, so please bear with me. Other than that, let's get focused and let's get started. So this past week, we've been finishing a lot of emotional communication and how that ties into persuasion and different visual techniques. Figure I'd start with talking about visual techniques today, which includes like ethos, pathos, and logos, and how those kind of play a part with everything. So let's get into it. Let's get started. And let's go about it. So, just give everybody a heads up. I am changing the lecture from Tuesday to Monday, the exact same time. So that should be posted in your announcements. I'm going to post that announcement, that lecture link today instead of Monday like I usually do. So you have a 2-day advance so you get that announcement right off the bat. Not only that, just keep in mind, if you can't make it on Monday, there'll be a recording posted right after the lecture. So I'm going to have it posted right up so you have it available for you. And that's a really big deal because you only have like 1 or 2 days to deal with that. So I want it to be in your hands as fast as possible on Monday. So that's really the big deal. I want to try to go about that. So I'll post all the links. I'll post all the lectures. Everything should be attached. If you have any questions, let me know. All right. So let's get into it. Visual techniques using ethos, logos, and pathos. So when you're using ethos is defined as one's credibility. Establishing credibility also allows your audience to trust the message being presented. Credibility can be established through reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth. There's so many ways you can go about this. Obviously, Superman is the strongest guy alive, and if he's representing milk and he drinks milk, that means you can be as strong as Superman. Obviously a source of credibility, even though Superman's a fake person. But using a source of credibility can also help persuade audiences, and that's a big aspect about that. So that's always going to be really huge. Now, if you try to tend to use logos is the second persuasive element and uses logic. So when you tend to use logic, once credibility is established using that trustworthy person, the argument must be presented, must also make sense. So to be logical, any argument is centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from information that's presented. Conclusions are also based upon concise, straightforward information such as facts, statistics, graphs, charts, and data. So A/B comparisons, results of research data, different testing, surveys, they all kind of play a part, and that data, if that's translated to the viewpoint of the image, then it allows for trustworthiness and adds to that credibility. Now, pathos is the final appeal, and this focuses on emotion. Anytime you see like a sad child or a sad puppy or a really excited person or these amazing excited emotions, they trigger emotional responses due to a persuasive appeal that captures our attention and engages the audience. Pathos most often plays to our senses, memories, and experiences. It is a means of connecting with an audience verbally or visually, and it's quite powerful too. So that's another thing. So those are the 3 different techniques. They play a part with your discussions this week. All your grades have been caught up. I'm going to try and go through this weekend and see if I can catch up on the ones from previous weeks. If you're missing any assignments, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out with that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So we have lecture on Monday. Your assignments are due on Sunday, and your discussion replies are due tonight. So keep that in mind. And then Monday, we'll have lecture. We'll start everything there. Not only that, you have the last day of classes on Tuesday. So make sure you contact me if you need anything or if you're missing any stuff. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. If you need anything, let me know. But keep in mind, lecture on Monday this week. Same time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. All right. Have a good one, everybody. Take it easy. Bye-bye.